Episode 1 of a new scrapyard build series we're doing. I actually just ordered a Core 2 Quad pre-built PC off of eBay for around 60 bucks, and then we actually got this case that we're going to be showing you in this episode behind me for 20. So it's looking good so far, and we'll keep you posted whenever we get any more stuff.